But I have practically confirmed that next week I will be playing with all of Crisis. And it'll be my first, I think it'll be the first collab that I've hosted, maybe. I have a fucking group chat with them titled My Boys, so I just call them My Boys. Because the truth is, they are all my sons, all three of them. They're my children, and I'm going to be playing with them. And my children and I are going to be exploring haunted houses, and they're going to scream really loudly in my fucking ears, and I'm going to hate it. I'm going to literally got paid today. I just hope they don't scream too loudly, man. I can just imagine Vantacrow screaming and then breaking into the song. I know there's a clip of him just screaming and then breaking into song.
I ain't afraid of nothing. I'm going forward. Oh, sometimes I get a feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I never known before. Oh, hey! Watch where you're going! Woo!
I can imagine Zolly freaking out. Like,
Okay. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
I think UQ will probably be the most resistant, but I've never seen him play a horror game, so.
I don't need to... I promise you we don't need it. Wilson, Wilson, you already got scared by this. Why?
I think Wilson is pretty, should be pretty chill.